All right, fresh water, fresh horses. We did, I think, the seventh one, whatever, but we're kind of done with the stuff. We're going to walk on some boats here. You guys know I've been on boat shows. Let's cruise along here, shall we? So, nice day outside today, 13th day of March. This will come out, be boat season. These are nice. Not cheap, but they're nice boats. The skeeters, they're nice. Big ass motor on here. It's a nice V6. Oh, Jesus. Nice. That's my favorite one right over there. I like that one. My favorite maybe before. So, you don't need prices on these things. That's kind of cool. You have the party barges here, obviously. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, cheesecake. Oh my goodness. Look at that stuff, huh? Oh my goodness. Oh, that looks good, the blueberry.
You want to try it?
Sure. Thank you. Good stuff, you guys. Chocolate Moonshine Company. Illegally good. Yeah, like I said, you should be ashamed and embarrassed. Very good. See, I'd be fired within a week because I'd eat all the profits. It's like if I worked at a seafood company, I'd be fired within about a week because I'd be hand to mouth. Ah. That's a nice one. Look at that bad boy. We got a shitload of party barges here. We've been on these before. Here's this Walker Bay one real quick. This one's kind of cool. I've always liked this one. If I'm right now, just if I had a place to put it on Shady Oak Lake, I would. I'd buy it. It's 40,000, 41. Be well worth it. It's easy to get around. I like that. It's nice. Easy to pull. It's nice. My favorite right there. These bad boys, huh? Kind of a weird, that's an okay color. Kind of afraid to fish in these things because these are more cruisers, not like the one I have. Belmont has. It's kind of, but they'll have the same color. Nice. I don't see any prices on them yet. Maybe some do. What's this one? They gotta have a big sign for me. I can piss and moan. 84 grand. Jesus. But they're Bennett. These aren't cheap. Not cheap at all. So what's it with trailer? Is that what the price with trailer? Or is it separate?
Without trailer.
Okay.
Yep.
Surprised you wouldn't have that all together.
A lot of our customers don't need trailers. They go straight to the body water.
Okay.
See ya. Make sure it wasn't.
Because again, you gotta have that full. So all you're doing is pigging and poking. There you go. So you add more stuff on. Kind of cool. I like the seating, but this is more of a you pig like people on the lake. You cruise around. You're not more or less what I do when I go fishing. We can cruise around ours, but to me, you gotta be able to have a trailer. Part of the private package. You can tell over a whole bunch over here. So this is where people come to, and people getting the itch to buy cabins, go fishing, and whatever else. So Lund, that's a $40,000 vehicle. So they're in Minnesota. These are fishing ones, the working class. Not bad, 40 grand. Oh, this one's kind of cool. I like this. He can perch up there, ride shotgun like that, man. What the hell, right? That's a nice boat. Crown line. $76,000. Jesus. I don't know. You better be able to use it as much as you can. It's a lot of money. You can only really go out of this town 3 months out of the year. So you better be on the lake and use it every single night. Otherwise, it isn't worth your money. I'd rather buy an RV. No, you're okay. You probably add to the video, you know.
She's wanted in like 4 states.
Really?
Yeah, don't get her on camera.
I'll tell you what, darling, don't worry about it. No body, no crime, huh? We'll claim you just, we'll make you the redhead and say, that's not her, man. She may look like so. No. No body, no crime at the mafia. My auntie said, no body, no crime. You're not guilty unless you get caught. Don't forget that, huh?
That's right. As long as you don't get caught. That's right. So, we get into here. This is the party bar to my left here, but this one, I like this. This stuff's cool. I like this one. My favorite too as well. Sitting that bad boy, where you go. That is a show price of, I don't know what they say here now. I can't tell, but these are all recycled, the guy told me. Kind of show price of $4,500, so I don't know what that's kind of cool. That's a nice little boat. He says it's all recyclable, so good for him. So, we get in the water party barge right over here. They got music in there, so I don't want to go in there. But we'll get in the party barge over here. I've been on a party barge. The Benningtons now, these are expensive. I do enough driving. I don't know how they sell all these boats. I don't get it. That's why you can buy a used party barge. Inexpensive. You can party on it. Ken Herbeck's back. Watch your step, you're damn right. So here we are, Bennington, man. I've seen plenty of these. These are high buck, not cheap. I've met Ken a couple times. Real nice man. What's this? Finance sale price $170,000. Jesus. Whoa, but that's Bennington for you. They're not cheap. Not cheap at all. But these are not fishing ones. These are like you go out, your friends and party. That's what they're for, as you can tell. They're all just sitting around, waiting for something to come to them. Yeah, these are the Cadillacs. They're nice, and you're wrong, but you better live on a lake. Financing price, 50 grand. Cash price, 52. Nice. Yeah, there are more of them over here, more over there. So yeah, the Bennington, the blue. They always go in color schemes every year, so we'll get over here some more boats over here. Some of them, I don't even call them ships, they're so damn big. Oh, let's go over here, see what these ones are. 30 grand cash price, 30 grand finance price, 29. So let me see. Okay, these are more or less inexpensive. 30. So it's without boat. So without your trailer. Let me see here. You should have a railing here if it will be like me. Yeah, you can tell people hang on to these, and these are the cheaper one, but your job done. Again, you got to be able to put it in this trailer, the way I look at it. So, who am I? I'm just an idiot, right? You don't buy a car without an engine, right? It all comes together. And now I got to back down this thing. This isn't easy. It's kind of stupid how they do this. If you're an old folk, you're not getting up there. I'm an old man. Kill myself. So, anyways. It's a nice, yeah, I ain't gonna go fishing with you young ass. Look at that bad boy. Oh yeah, look at that. Hell yeah. Dude, Patrowny. Nice. Look at that bad boy. Woohoo. Bass cat, nice. Heck yeah. Get into something. I get a lot of docks and stuff. There's some more party barges over here. The party barge over there. We'll go up there, but here's your Barrett ones, more party barges. What we'll do is it's 38. See how light they have 38. What we'll do is we'll go up over here and we'll look at the party barges. So these are these are your fishing boats right here. Hang out, boogie around. These are the angler ones. As you notice, the ones with down, you look at them because everyone looks at the big ones that they can't afford. So anyways, let's go there and look at Erickson Marine next, shall we?